the most Goo.gled Super Bowl recipe in every state. This Super Bowl Sunday, people across the United States will crowd around the TV, watch the game, and eat snacks. But Super Bowl spreads vary depending on location. To get a better picture of Americans' favorite Super Bowl recipes in each state this year, Business Insider consulted Google. Looking at search data from the past week, Google's researchers found the most uniquely highly searched recipe that people in every state, plus Washington, D.C., Googled with the term Super Bowl. The researchers didn't seek the most popular dish for every state, that would have been chicken wings and chili in nearly all 50. Instead, they focused on the most distinct, and then found the recipes with the highest search volume for each state. Check them out in the map below. Samantha Lee,